What's going on, guys? Sam Tekis here to back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to change your username before 14 days on your Instagram. I'll be showing you step by step, but stick around this video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you can't change your username until it reaches 14 days, and all you have to do is just go to your Instagram, and you're gonna click the three lines, and you're gonna click to settings, and you're gonna click the help, and you're gonna click report the problem, and you're gonna click something is not working. Now all you're gonna write here is that someone pranked me, and someone changed my name, my friend changed my name, and they're gonna accept you like in like 1 week or 5 days or 4 days. And sometimes they don't respond. Just you have to be patient. Like, it's not gonna take 14 days, it's just gonna take like a week or like 7 days. And I hope it works, guys. Like, just type something and someone spam me from TikTok. You can't do that. Someone hacked me and it works. Maybe they will respond to you, maybe they're not going to respond to you, and you have to be patient. And this is what I got you for today. If you're new, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and peace.